So I'm going to show you how to move files to the SD card on your Samsung Galaxy A17 5G. So you want to go into My Files. So go to the My Files app. And then in the My Files app, you can see you have the SD card. You can even open it. And if you want to, you could create a folder inside the SD card. And then now to move files, you want to go to your phone's internal storage, find the files you want to move. So you could go into the downloads folder. There's nothing there, but if there's something there, let's, for instance, go to the camera app folder. So if I want to move these ones, all I have to do is long press on the first one and then select everything I want to move, and then choose the move option instead of copy. And then from this pop-up window, choose the SD card and then choose the equivalent folder and then select move here, and all that stuff is going to get moved to that folder. So that's how to move files, any type of files, including photos and videos, from the internal storage to the SD card of your Galaxy A17 5G. Thanks for watching and good luck.